Are you ready for the September exclusive beauty bag? Well, if you want to see what skincare heroes we have this month, then stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me, and if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. Chloe is, she just got back from school, and we just finished dinner, so she's just getting ready for tomorrow. And I have the September exclusive beauty bag. So this is a little bag with a big punch. These are dermatologist approved and recommended products in here. You're going to get samples. You're going to get a couple of full size. They're typically heavy hitters though. All right, so let's see what we've got. We've got this little folder here. This is by Biopel. This is the Tensage Intensive Serum 40. It has an SCA 40 Biorepair Index. Now, the full size of this is 10 milliliters for $149.60. This is 1 milliliter. So we're still getting, even this little bottle in here, right? We're still getting a good, at least one treatment out of it. So this has concentrated growth factor benefits, vitamin C, vitamin E, and let's see, it says featuring concentrated growth factor benefits, vitamin E and vitamin C for fast visible improvement in lackluster skin. It says you're going to see improvements in as little as 24 hours. They do recommend this post-procedure to optimize the results, but you don't have to have a procedure to use it. You can use it without that. The related skincare concerns include fine lines and wrinkles, photo damage and uneven skin tone, healing post-laser skin treatment, microneedling or other aesthetic procedures, and optimizing procedural outcomes. All right, so this is what we got, and then there are instructions as to how to open that up in there. So even though this is like a small sample size, it still is a very pricey product. So yeah, if you fall in love with it, if it's like great, it's kind of expensive, but I don't mind a little free trial of it. All right, next, this is something we've gotten quite frequently throughout the summer. This is the EltaMD UV Restore Broad Spectrum SPF. This is a tinted face screen. All right, I've used this before. It is a very light tint. I actually have one that I got from last month that I've been using, and you're going to get quite a few uses. I've used it for a month and I still have some left. I don't use a lot, so if you use a lot, I guess you won't get as much use, but I just use a regular amount, like a dot here, a dot here, one there, just a few dots around the face, rub it all in, and it is a nice light, like you're not going to really be able to tell. It's just going to do a little bit of evening out of the skin tone. Now, this is, I can't read that. This is a 1/2 ounce. The full size, which is 1.7 ounces, is $48. So it's almost a third that you're getting. Not bad. It has squalane to restore skin's natural moisture and suppleness, and ginger root extract and saccharide isomerate to promote healthy complexion by improving skin's smoothness, minimizing dark spots, and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also contains antioxidants, which combat skin aging free radicals associated with ultraviolet or UV and infrared IR light, and offers high energy visible light protection. All right, next we have 2 little containers of the Bioderma Atrodem. This is their Soothing, lipid replenishing, cleansing oil, anti-irritation for very dry to irritated, sensitive skin. This is 0.27 fluid ounces, so we have 2 of these, and that's 8 milliliters each, so 16 milliliters. The full size, and that the smallest of the full sizes, which is 100 milliliters, is $9.99. It says that skin is 26% more hydrated after 27 days, and 100% skin is smoothed. You can use this not only on adult skin, but also on babies and children, it says. So it says it instantly soothes any discomfort, it nourishes and respects sensitive skin, it leaves skin feeling ultra comfortable, it's suitable for the whole family and can be used on face or body. Next, by Murad, we have the AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser. Now the travel size at 2 ounces retails for $18. This is 15 milliliters, or a half of an ounce, so about a fourth of that. It does have chemical exfoliants plus physical exfoliants from biodegradable jojoba beads, and it's going to help open hydration pathways and optimize the skin's ability to attract and hold moisture. So here is the size that we have. All right, so it looks like we're getting to one of the full size items, and I only know this because it says it's a lip balm, so I'm guessing that this would be a full size. This is by Molar Sciences, and it is the Hydrating Sheer Lip Balm. This has an SPF of 30, and it's in the shade Shimmer, which looks to be a light pink. It has shea butter, avocado, olive, and jojoba oils. It's nourishing and hydrating. It's hypoallergenic, vegan, and gluten-free. Oh, I was expecting a tube. All right, here we go. It's got like this nice little cover on there too. All right, so here we go. It looks very sheer. It's a tiny, you're not even really going to pick that up, but there is just a tiny bit of color. Love that. That's a good everyday. But I can tell it does have just the slightest bit of pink in there. All right, we have one last item. I'm hoping it's a heavy hitter. It is PCA Skin. This is a very, very pricey brand. So we have a full size. I usually only get these tiny little PCA Skin samples. So excited to see a full size PCA Skin. This is their Hydrolux Intensive Anti-Aging Hydration. It's going to reduce signs of aging, soften, smooth, and plump skin. It's best for dry, sensitive, and normal skin. It says it's going to improve moisture retention, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and improve skin fullness and plumping. All right, so the full price of this as a one-time purchase is $160. Now, if you subscribe and save on their website, it's $144, but the price for just this product right here, just to get one, is $160. Guys, that is a huge savings for what you're paying for this box. Now, if you decide to get this box, go with the subscribe and save. You can always cancel it after 1 month, but there's a significant difference. I think like for a one-time thing, it's around $50. But if you go to the subscribe and save, I think it's around $35, somewhere around there. So it's a good savings. And again, you can always cancel it. Like 2 days later, you'll still get your one delivery, but you can always cancel it if you're not sure. All right, so here is that PCA Skin. Very excited. I'm not going to open it up because, well, I've got several open right now. Not PCA Skin, but I've got several going on right now because I got one from Influencer that I needed to review. I had one already open, and then I have one that's too thick, so I use it more on hands and elbows. So when you get like a thick cream that you don't feel is going to work real well for you, use it on the other parts of your body. Totally, perfectly good. Better than most of the lotions that you're going to buy because they're going to have all those great skincare ingredients. All right, so what do you guys think? I think, you know, again, you're not getting a ton of products. You're getting a lot of samples, but the products you are getting are heavy hitters. So I do like that. But let me know your thoughts. Is this something that, you know, you got your eye on? I know I hadn't seen anybody unbox it before I started unboxing it. I don't know if anybody else out there is unboxing it yet, but I think it's a pretty good deal for what you're getting, and you are getting very high-end skincare. So I like that. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.